welcome back to Family and Fit. We talk fitness, how to integrate your busy lifestyle.
So, what is going on, subscribers or non-subscribers? If you're a non-subscriber, hit that cellular button. So, today's video is going to be why not keto. I'm going to go over why I don't do keto and why I think it's not for some people. My videographer's been wanting me to do this video for a minute. I've been hesitant on it because, to be honest, I know a lot about keto, but I haven't researched into it a lot here lately. Bro, I'm about to tell him. I'm about to tell him what keto is.
He don't know anything about it.
So it's been a while. It's been a while since I've really researched into keto and know a lot of the terminology and whatnot. I understand the concept of it, and I used to know it a lot better. But get off of me, dude. And to be honest, it's very, very simple why I don't do keto. And that's because I just think it's one more thing, it's one more hurdle that you have to accomplish to be able to be in a diet. And the less things that you can add into a diet, then the easier you can make things are, the more sustainable it's gonna be. You're gonna be able to stick with it for the rest of your life. And that's what you want whenever it comes to dieting and staying fit and staying in shape. You know, it becomes hard whenever you want to eat cupcakes and brownies and you just can't eat those type of meals anymore. And I'll be honest with you guys, it's not super important to be into ketosis, especially for fat loss. There's tons of people that eat carbs that are losing plenty of weight, and there's tons of people who eat carbs that can stay at a nice healthy weight. So you don't have to be in ketosis necessarily to lose weight and whatnot. Now, there's other things we can get into as far as ketosis goes, or basically being on a keto diet, and that is that there may be some health benefits from going about being on ketosis or being on a keto diet, however you want to say it. Ketosis is actually, it's a state that you get in after being in a keto diet for a little bit of time. I'm actually kind of misusing the word a little bit, but like I said, I don't talk keto diet very often. Ketosis is the state of basically no longer using blood glycogen as energy or utilizing carbs as energy. You're actually utilizing fat as energy, and your body's not really meant to use totally nothing but fats to survive. Now, there's some people that think that carbs are horrible, they're terrible for you and whatnot, and there's definitely some issues with them, especially when it comes to eating a lot of processed foods. And it's debatable. It goes back to is dairy healthy for you? Is carbs good for you? Is fats good for you? People really don't know. There's studies out there that show each different carb source, each different food supplement that there is, each different food category that there is. There's all kinds of different information out there, and to be honest, it's really just up to you at this point until we can find some good, solid evidence that really can portray the information and give us some good data that we can utilize that's truly proven, and all the studies are kind of in line with one another, because there's too many studies out there that contradict one another. And because of that, I can't say that there's one thing that's better. It's all about what works for you. I preach that all the time. It's all about what works for you in a diet. So just don't listen to what everybody else is saying.
Malachi.
Don't be on a keto diet if you don't want to be on a keto diet. Just do you, baby. And if you're on a keto diet, don't be a hater. Don't get in the comments and start hating, because I know you might want to do that, because that's people get really, really offended about their diets, and they think that their diet is the best diet in the world, and they think their method is the best method in the world, all the way from fitness professionals down to fitness connoisseurs or condoms or whatever those people are that do fitness. If this video was helpful, I'll catch you in the next one, because you'll be back for another one, right? You done hit that cellular button and that notification bell, right?
Do it.
I hope so, dude.
You do it and you get a lifetime good luck. That's what the genie told me.
I'll be your lucky charm.